Yeah, hi, and in this video we're going to take you behind the scenes of a company called Clickfunnels. So we'll take you in there and see exactly what you get when you sign up for their 14-day free trial. Okay, so let's head over to the Clickfunnels and show you. Okay, so we've come into the Clickfunnels here. This is my account. And as you can see, there are various different banners in the middle here. You've also got ClickFunnels at the top. This is where you hold your funnels. You can have your contacts. It tells you your sales. A funnel marketplace, which is where you can actually go and buy funnels, I think, that are already pre-made. Yeah, so there you go. So that's all about that. So you've got different funnels there which people have obviously built, and then you can buy them off of them, so it's all done for you. Okay, we've also got obviously a builder funnel here, so this is where you can start and build your own funnel as well. You've got Actionetics. Okay, so this is a bit like your email subscriber list, okay, which you can build directly in ClickFunnels, so there's no need for your own autoresponder, so that's cool. This is obviously you've got your subscribers here, your different email lists, the broadcasts and the follow-up funnels are all in beta testing, but they're there. Email campaigns, clicked on that, so this obviously tells you all about it. You've got everything here. Let's go back to the main. There you go. And you've got action funnels as well. Okay, you've also got Backpack. Now this is basically an affiliate system. So basically, if you've got your own products, you can then add an affiliate side to it, so you can get other people to obviously then promote your product on your behalf, and you will then give them a commission for doing so. And this is all your back end of that system. So you've got your own dashboard there. It tells you what your affiliates are, the commissions, the payments, leaderboards for certain obviously campaigns, etc., commission plans that you can obviously set up. All of that is in there. Okay, and you've obviously got a help button here as well, which gives you certain documents so you can get help on the chat, and obviously it tells you what's new as well. Okay, so as you can see, you do get an awful lot. You get everything in there that you could do, that you can actually start then creating your own funnels very, very quickly. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the ClickFunnels back end, so to speak. If you're looking to build your own sales funnels and you don't want to obviously need all the hassle and everything of building a website, then I certainly would recommend ClickFunnels as a very, very unique and very easy way of doing just that. You have all the tools here you need, because like I say, you have the built-in autoresponder and email subscriber list system. You've obviously got the landing pages, and you've got all the templates and everything. It's all in here ready to go. All you need to do is obviously get in here and then start to build your funnels and your sales pages straight from this. And in the next video I will do a separate video which will actually show you and go into how you can quickly build those and how quickly you can build those. So I shall link to that in this video as well underneath in the description. Okay, so yes, by all means, go have a look, hit the join now button underneath this video, where you can grab your 14-day free trial and take a look for yourself and see exactly how good ClickFunnels is. Okay, that's it for this video, and we will see you on the next video. We look forward to seeing you then. Bye. If you like this video and want to continue your learning, then please subscribe to my channel right now by clicking on me. Just follow the arrow. It's very simple. Don't forget, I also love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Until the next video, take care.